Hello guys, good morning. Mommy Elle is here to share you another recipe. This time, special request ng aking mga anak. So stay with me. So here are our ingredients for the spaghetti, okay? I have this garlic and onion, okay? I have this, of course, ground beef. Also, I have this spaghetti noodles or spaghetti pasta made from Italy, guys. I love this kind. Masarap siya and hindi siya mahirap lutuin. Of course, I have this spaghetti sauce, guys. Hindi mabubuong spaghetti kung wala itong sauce. And also, I have this soy sauce. My ground black pepper, and of course my parmesan cheese. So tara, luto na tayo. So guys, ito papakulo na ako ng tubig para palambutin yung spaghetti noodles natin. At ito na yung ating garlic. First, saute with a little bit of oil kasi yung ground beef natin, guys, meron na siyang taba rin, okay? Wait until it's golden brown, then sunod na natin yung red onion. Sunod na natin, guys. Pwede na to ang ating red onion. Then, halo-halo lang natin. Ito na, guys, ang ating ground beef. Lagay na natin. Siyempre, halo-halo lang natin, guys. Check natin ang ating tubig. Kumukulo na rin. So, let's put our spaghetti noodles. Kaya lang natin, guys, magsusok in naman siya pagka soak na yung tip of the noodles. So far, ito na yung ating ground beef and sauteed with the onion and garlic, guys. So, lagay na natin ng soy sauce. Ito na yung ating spaghetti mold, guys. Kailangan natin hanggang mapalambot. Here comes the ground black pepper. I forgot to mention one of the ingredients I put, guys, for my spaghetti, which is this marinara sauce para hindi siya masyadong matamis. Okay? Check it out, guys. Yay! Ito na yung ating karne. Alright. Haluin natin. Check natin, guys. We are ready for our sauce. Alright, guys. Lagyan na natin ng marinara sauce. Siyempre, haluin natin. Lagay na natin ang ating spaghetti sauce, guys. Haluin natin, guys. Sarap naman. Guys, ito na yung ating noodles. Ayoko nang masyadong maraming tubig pag pinapakulo ko yung noodles ko kasi para hindi matanggal lahat ng lasa niya. Okay? Hello guys, ito na yung ating noodles. Bukuhusan mo siya ng malamig na tubig para hindi siya na-overcook kasi meron siya siyang ilo. After na naluto, okay? Ayan na nga guys, luto na ang ating spaghetti sauce. Guys, it's tasting time. Let's put the sauce. And our cheese, I like a lot of cheese guys. Kita nyo naman, para masarap. Tikman na natin. Sama-sama na yung noodles guys. Hindi kasya sa aking bunganga yan. Masarap talaga. Sobra. I'm sure matutuwa na naman ang aking mga anak. At syempre si Mr. Okay? So, laging tatandaan, tip from Mommy L, Mommy Lorna, pag magluto kayo, samahan nyo ng maraming pagmamahal para palaging masarap ang outcome. Till my next recipe. Bye! Next bite ulit!